the shore. Every name that they whisper, I'm carving it more. I am the daughter of 1,000 winters cold. I am the prophecy that never gets old.
Can hear it.
The chant in the trees, every fallen warrior is down on their knees.
We are the North.
Ancestors whisper louder than the storm.
Blood of the old gods poured into our form.
We are the promise that the North has kept.
And the world will remember where the old ones